Hi, my name is Ludwig Speth from Germany, and I'm a solution engineer at TeamViewer, the leader for digital workplace solutions. So TeamViewer is known for the remote connectivity solution, but over the last years we focused more and more on enterprise business. And enterprise business means we also need to connect to every device in the assembly line. So we can today connect to any PLC in the assembly line, and together with Cybers, we can have access to any sensor in the manufacturing. So Cybers is an industry IoT broker, so we get all the data from the sensors in the manufacturing line directly into our system, and this means the employee, the frontline worker, the blue-collar worker, gets all the sensor data directly on the glasses. And today what we have here is a little showcase on how a manufacturing process could look like. So the front-end worker wears a smart glasses, and here I can see all the step-by-step instructions directly on the device. So I don't have to know everything, I will be guided. So for me, it's way easier as an employee to follow the process. And connected here through the Cybers integration, we have a wrench. And on the glasses, I know now, okay, I need to take the green screw, screw it in the green hole, and then one-handed, because I have a smart glasses, so both hands are free. I use the right torque for this screw, and on my glasses I can see, okay, the status is okay. I'm using 8.6 Newton meter, and all this data will now go through Cybers to the leading MES system, and everything is documented. This means in the future, if there are ever any claims, I can prove this employee did everything following to the process. So less claims in the process, and everything is all the time very well documented. And this is here what we do together with Cybers. If you want to know more about this, come to Hannover Messe in April 2026 to Cybers and TeamViewer.